2002, 424 years after its establishment, the parish of San Antonio de Padua in Pila was elevated to a diocesan shrine during the tenure of Monsignor Melchor A. Barcenas and fruiting from the efforts of Monsignor Renato Cosico. The shrine was inaugurated by Most Reverend Francisco San Diego in the presence of His Eminence Ricardo Cardinal Vidal, Apileño. Monsignor Mario Rafael M. Castillo further sustained the shrine devotion, followed by Reverend Father Edwin D. Lusterio, who endeavored to extend the Tuesday devotion to San Antonio de Padua beyond the confines of the local church towards meriting the name of a national shrine.